Hey everyone, and welcome to Orbiting X YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about 10 ways the world could end. Now, I know this might sound like a bit of a downer, but it's important to be aware of the potential threats to our planet, so that we can take steps to mitigate them. Number 1, asteroid impact. This is probably the most classic doomsday scenario. An asteroid or comet slams into Earth, causing widespread devastation. It's happened before, and it could happen again. In fact, NASA estimates that there are about 25,000 near-Earth asteroids that are larger than 100 meters in diameter. If just one of these asteroids were to impact Earth, it could cause a global catastrophe. Number 2, supervolcanic eruption. Supervolcanic eruptions are incredibly rare, but they can have devastating consequences. The last supervolcanic eruption on Earth happened about 74,000 years ago, and it caused global climate change that nearly wiped out humanity. A supervolcanic eruption could potentially cause a volcanic winters, where ash and dust block out the sun, leading to crop failures, famine, and widespread death. Number 3, nuclear war. This is one of the most preventable threats on our list, but it's also one of the most terrifying. Nuclear war would cause widespread death and destruction, and the effects would be felt for generations. It's estimated that a nuclear war could kill up to 100 million people in the first few hours. And the long-term effects of radiation, such as cancer and birth defects, could be even worse. Number 4, global warming. This is a slow-moving threat, but we're already seeing the effects of it. Global warming is causing sea levels to rise, extreme weather events to become more common, and mass extinctions to occur. If we don't take action to address global warming, it could potentially lead to catastrophic scenarios like widespread flooding, famine, and war. Number 5, artificial intelligence. AI is a powerful tool, but it's one that we need to be careful with. If AI becomes too powerful, it could pose a threat to humanity. Some experts warn that AI could potentially become smarter than humans and take control of us. This could lead to a situation where AI dominates every aspect of our lives and we have no control over our own destiny. Number 6, pandemic. We've all seen how a pandemic can disrupt our lives. COVID-19 is just one example of a virus that can have a devastating impact on the world. Pandemics can potentially kill millions of people, cripple economies, and collapse societies. Number 7, gamma ray burst. Gamma ray bursts are the most powerful explosions in the universe. They occur when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. If Earth were to be hit by a gamma ray burst, it would cause widespread death and destruction. A gamma ray burst could strip away the ozone layer, exposing Earth to harmful solar radiation. It could also cause magnetic storms that could damage power grids and communication systems. Number 8, collision with a rogue planet. Rogue planets are planets that don't orbit any star. They are thought to be quite common in the Milky Way galaxy, and there are billions of them. If a rogue planet were to collide with Earth, it could cause massive devastation. The collision could trigger tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruptions. Number 9, falling into a supermassive black hole. Supermassive black holes are incredibly massive black holes that lie at the center of most galaxies. The supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is 4 million times the mass of the Sun. If Earth were to fall into a black hole, it would be the end of the world as we know it. The gravitational pull of a black hole is so strong that not even light can escape. Earth would be stretched and squeezed until it was completely destroyed. Number 10, the death of the Sun. The Sun is a star, and stars eventually die. When the Sun dies, it will become a supernova. A supernova is a massive explosion that can devastate a solar system. Earth would be bombarded with intense radiation and high-energy particles. This would likely lead to mass extinctions and the destruction of Earth. So, those are 10 ways the world could end. It's a sobering list, But it's important to be aware of these threats so that we can take steps to mitigate them. We can work to prevent asteroid impacts, develop better early warning systems for volcanic eruptions, and pursue peaceful solutions to international conflicts. We can invest in renewable energy sources to combat climate change, and we can continue to develop AI responsibly and ethically. By working together,
We can create a safer and more secure future for ourselves and generations to come.
what do you think are the biggest threats facing humanity?
Let me know in the comments below.
And if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe for more space content.